You are going to start a new chapter in your life with WordPress in 2023, but didn't know where to start? You don't have to be worried. In this video, I will tell you 4 WordPress tricks that will make your life easier in 2023, so that you can enjoy your new chapter easily. Okay, without any further ado, let's dive into the list. The first one is choose the right hosting. WordPress is an open source management system for creating and managing websites. You can use WordPress to create personal blogs, e-commerce stores, business websites, and more. But the platform doesn't host the website itself. And without hosting, your website cannot go live on the internet. Your hosting company should provide you with enough resources to manage your website traffic, avoid downtime and crash, and provide fast hosting. First, you need to choose a good hosting provider and configure your website. There are many types of hosting with many features. There are also WordPress-specific hosting plans, which will make it easier to set up and run your website. Okay, the second one is install SEO Plugins. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is very important for the success of any website. Without SEO, you cannot promote your website in the search results. Installing SEO plugins can make your website more efficient and your life easier. Plugins can analyze your keywords and content and manage everything like robots.txt and sitemaps for you. There are many SEO plugins, but I recommend you Yoast SEO. If you are a beginner, Yoast SEO helps you a lot to find out, and it also generates XML sitemaps. Okay, the third one is install Google Analytics. It is very important to know how your website works, and it is impossible without any Google search engine to measure the performance of the website. Install the Google Analytics plugin, and you will be able to access all the information about the performance of your website and the behavior of site visitors on your pages. There are many other Google Analytics tools, but Monster Insight is one of the best tools to consider for your website. This plugin has over 2 million active installations. After installing this plugin, you will be able to access audience reports, behavior reports, content reports, and e-commerce reports. By installing the Google Analytics plugins, you can view your data directly from the WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, the last one is avoid using too many plugins. Google Analytics and SEO plugins are necessary. You can add some other plugins to add functionality to your website. Here are some great plugins in the following. There are forms, directories, bookings, memberships, pop-ups, backups, and security. But avoid using too many plugins. If you add pop-ups to your website, you don't need a pop-up plugin. Do not install a booking plugin unless your business will benefit from it. If you install too many plugins, it slows down your website. Use limited plugins when needed. Avoid using unnecessary plugins. In this way, I recommend you guys our plugins called Floating SM Button. With our plugins, you can get CTA button, scroll to top, and various display custom pop-up like blocks, shortcuts, widgets, links, and many more. I will put the link on the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so for the conclusion, there are 4 WordPress tricks that I present today. There are choose the right hosting, install SEO plugins, install Google Analytics, and avoid using too many plugins. It's okay if it doesn't perfect at your first try. Just make sure to always practice, practice, and practice. Because practice makes you learn to get your kind of perfectness. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!